10 Foods to Avoid After Age 50 for Better Health. Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll discuss 10 foods you should avoid after the age of 50 for better health. As we age, our nutritional requirements evolve, and making informed decisions becomes crucial for maintaining our overall well-being. Let's explore the foods you should avoid to sustain your health and vitality. If you find this video beneficial, please consider subscribing to my channel. First food. Processed meats. Processed meats such as bacon, sausages, and deli meats offer convenience but pose health risks, particularly after the age of 50. They are rich in sodium, saturated fats, and preservatives, which can elevate the risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain cancers. As we age, our bodies become less adept at metabolizing these substances, underscoring the importance of restricting their consumption. Instead, consider opting for leaner protein sources such as poultry, fish, or plant-based alternatives to diminish your intake of processed meats and enhance your overall well-being. Second food. Sugary beverages. Sugary beverages, including soda, fruit juices, and sweetened teas, may be tempting, but they are best avoided, particularly after reaching the age of 50. These drinks are packed with added sugars, which can contribute to weight gain, diabetes, and dental problems. As we age, our metabolism decelerates, making it more challenging for our bodies to efficiently process these sugars. Regular consumption of sugary beverages can also heighten the risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions. Opting for healthier alternatives like water, herbal teas, or unsweetened beverages can help you stay hydrated while sidestepping the adverse health effects associated with sugary drinks. Making this simple substitution can yield significant benefits for your overall health and well-being as you grow older. Third food. High-sodium foods. Foods high in sodium, such as canned soups, processed snacks, and fast food, can present significant health hazards, particularly for individuals aged 50 and above. These foods frequently contain elevated levels of sodium, which may contribute to conditions like high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, and kidney problems. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at processing sodium, underscoring the importance of moderating our intake. Opting for fresh or frozen vegetables, whole grains, and homemade meals seasoned with herbs and spices instead of salt can help mitigate sodium consumption. Reviewing food labels can aid in making informed dietary choices and reducing sodium intake. By reducing consumption of high-sodium foods, you can safeguard your heart, kidneys, and overall health as you age. Fourth food. Trans fats. Trans fats, often present in processed foods such as margarine, fried foods, and baked goods, ought to be steered clear of, particularly after reaching the age of 50. These fats elevate levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, and heighten the risk of heart disease, a concern that amplifies with age. Additionally, trans fats are associated with inflammation and may also increase the likelihood of developing diabetes and experiencing a stroke. To safeguard your heart and overall well-being, opt for foods containing healthier fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Diligently examining food labels can aid in identifying and avoiding products containing trans fats, thus promoting better health as you age. Fifth food. Excessive alcohol. Overindulgence in alcohol can result in severe health implications, especially for individuals aged 50 and above. As we grow older, our bodies become less adept at metabolizing alcohol, heightening the likelihood of liver damage, certain cancers, and other health complications. Excessive alcohol consumption can also exacerbate age-related conditions such as high blood pressure and heart disease. To mitigate these risks, it's crucial to either limit alcohol intake to moderate levels or abstain from it entirely. Moderation is crucial, and seeking guidance from a healthcare professional can offer personalized advice tailored to your health status and alcohol consumption habits. Making responsible decisions regarding alcohol can significantly influence your health and well-being as you age. Sixth food. High-carb snacks. Consuming high-carbohydrate snacks such as chips, crackers, and cookies can result in weight gain and fluctuations in blood sugar levels, which can be particularly concerning after reaching the age of 50. These snacks typically offer little nutritional value and may contribute to insulin resistance and diabetes. As we age, our bodies become more susceptible to these effects, underscoring the importance of selecting healthier alternatives. Opt for snacks abundant in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, such as nuts, seeds, or whole fruits. These options can assist in stabilizing blood sugar levels and furnishing sustained energy, thereby bolstering your overall health as you age. 7th food. High-sugar cereals. Opting for high-sugar cereals is a popular breakfast decision, yet it can pose risks, particularly for individuals aged 50 and above. These cereals are frequently packed with added sugars, which can trigger energy crashes, weight gain, and heighten the risk of diabetes. As we grow older, our bodies become less proficient at metabolizing these sugars, emphasizing the importance of selecting cereals with lower sugar content. Seek out options that boast high fiber and whole grains while containing minimal added sugars. Beginning your day with a healthier cereal choice can contribute to maintaining stable energy levels and nurturing your overall health as you age. 8th food. Excessive red meat. Consuming an abundance of red meat, especially processed or charred varieties, can present health hazards, particularly for individuals over the age of 50. These meats typically contain high levels of saturated fats and cholesterol, which can elevate the risk of heart disease and certain cancers. As we grow older, our bodies become more vulnerable to these adverse effects. It is prudent to restrict the intake of red meat and opt for leaner cuts or alternative protein sources such as poultry, fish, beans, and lentils. These alternatives offer essential nutrients without the drawbacks associated with excessive consumption of red meat, thus promoting better health and longevity as you age. 9th food. Fast food. Fast food offers convenience but can have adverse effects on your health, particularly as you get older. These foods typically contain unhealthy fats, sodium, and high calorie counts, which can result in weight gain, elevated blood pressure, and various other health concerns. As our bodies age, they become less proficient at metabolizing these substances, underscoring the importance of steering clear of fast food. Instead, opt for homemade meals crafted from fresh ingredients whenever feasible to ensure you're receiving the essential nutrients your body requires without the detrimental health consequences linked to fast food consumption. Implementing this change can notably enhance your health and well-being as you age. 10th food. High-sugar desserts. Indulging in high-sugar desserts such as cakes, pastries, and ice cream can be alluring but should be moderated, especially after reaching the age of 50. These desserts are typically laden with added sugars, which can contribute to weight gain, diabetes, and various other health complications. As we grow older, our bodies become less adept at processing these sugars, making it imperative to curtail consumption. Enjoying these treats in moderation and opting for healthier dessert alternatives like fruit salads or yogurt with berries can provide sweetness without the adverse health effects associated with high-sugar desserts, thereby aiding in maintaining better health and well-being as you age. After the age of 50, it's advisable to steer clear of processed meats, sugary beverages, high-sodium foods, trans fats, excessive alcohol, high-carb snacks, high-sugar cereals, excessive red meat, fast food, and high-sugar desserts. Implementing these dietary adjustments can assist in maintaining health and mitigating the risk of chronic diseases as we age. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.